that regional dialogues like these are very important for us to actually get the right persons in the room to make sure that we are having the conversations that represent the uniqueness of our region and not persons dictating what should be the solutions for us. So what stood out for me is that we're coming together, we're working, we're finding those solutions. So nothing for us without us. And we're making sure that persons understand that we can create these solutions. We're articulating it for the world, and we're saying that in spite of the fact that we are facing a climate crisis and all the other ills, as small island developing states, as big ocean nations, we still have resources and we still have opportunities to make sure that we use the resources that we have to our benefit.
So main takeaways: blue economy, marine spatial planning is extremely important before we can think about the blue economy, deciding where we do certain activities, whether it's conservation, industry, fisheries, etc. We spoke about climate adaptation, taking a regional approach, having more research, regional research approaches, and then we spoke about community tourism, trying to keep more of the income from tourism within communities and locally circulating to benefit communities.